Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors. Amazon has the highest converting checkout on the planet. And here is what almost nobody has figured out yet. Those Pinterest visitors are already searching for the exact product Amazon sells. They are in discovery mode, they are in buying mode, they just need someone to point them to the right direction, and that someone is you. Your Amazon affiliate link is that direction, and AI create the content that connect them completely automatically for free. I have been running this exact system for over 7 years, and right now in 2026 it's the most consistent free traffic method I have ever used for Amazon affiliate commissions, and I'm making over $25,000 per month with Amazon affiliates. And just in the last 7 days, I have made, as you guys can see here in my affiliate account dashboard, $7,392 in commissions. This is summary here, and this is my commissions, and this is my bounties over here. Okay. Anyway, and in this video, I'll show you step by step how you can promote your Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using AI and free traffic without any experience and without any skills. Stay until the end because the last part is the most important part, and without it, this business can't work for you and you can't make commissions. So make sure to watch this video until the end, and let's get started. This is my Amazon affiliate account dashboard. So for people who want to start making money with Amazon affiliate marketing using free traffic from Pinterest, first step guys is you guys need to join Amazon Associates. So you need to create an Amazon affiliate account like this one. Okay, it's super easy, and of course it's for free. You just need to go to Google like this and search for Amazon Associate and click on the first link over here like this, and you will be guys in this sign up process page. As you guys can see, you will click here on sign up like this. The sign up process is super easy and simple. You will be in this page. You just need to put here your mobile number or your email address. Once you finish, you will click on continue. You just need to follow a few steps. The sign up process is super easy, and you can start this business from any country, from China, from United Kingdom, from Germany, from United States, from Canada, from Australia, any country. Okay. Once you finish your sign up process, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Amazon Associate. Okay, so what you need to do next is you need to create a Pinterest business account. Okay, so what we will do next guys is we will go to Pinterest. Okay, if you don't have Pinterest business account, it's super easy. Just go to Google and search for Pinterest business account like this. Click on the first link, sign up using your email address. The sign up process super easy and simple. If you already have personal accounts, you can switch it to business accounts, and once you finish, you should have an account like this one with Pinterest. Pinterest guys is gold mine for affiliate marketing because it's not social media platform, it's a search engine platform. Okay, it's like Google and YouTube, and Pinterest, it's getting 1 billion monthly visitors. That's a lot of visitors, a lot of free traffic that you can get from Pinterest for free without paying for ads. Okay, if you are using and you are creating good SEO optimized content, you can rank your pins here on Pinterest, and you promote product that solve problems for people, product that people are already searching for here on Pinterest. You can win and you can start making commissions with this affiliate marketing program. Okay, it's all about SEO on Pinterest. It's all about SEO. Okay, and I'll show you how you can use good SEO for your pins using AI to rank higher in this video. Okay, anyway, once you finish guys creating your Pinterest business account, this will be your homepage like I said, and here you go. So what you need to do next is you need to find product that people will be interested to buy from you here on Pinterest. You need to promote product that solve problems for people. Okay, so what you will do next guys is you will go to Amazon. Okay, you will go to amazon.com to find a product that people will be interested to buy from you on Pinterest. Okay, so go and open your amazon.com website like this, and what you will do next here is you will start using AI. Okay, in your Amazon homepage here you should see Alexa for shopping. You see guys this tool, Alexa AI. Okay, click on this one, Alexa AI like this, and we will use this Alexa AI for shopping by Amazon to find a good and profitable product that we will promote on Pinterest. Okay, so what we will do here is we need to put here a prompt. So you guys can copy this prompt that I will use in this video. This is my prompt: find 10 Amazon products that are ideal for Pinterest affiliate marketing and have strong potential to generate commissions quickly. Okay, focus on products that have high Amazon commissions potential and good selling price, and here you go, and so on. Okay, you have everything in this prompt. I have included everything. You guys can copy this prompt or take screenshots of this prompt. I will copy this prompt like this. What I will do next, let me show you guys. Just like this, copy, and I will go back to Amazon and I will paste my prompt here on Alexa tool. Okay, like this. Okay, and what I will do, I will just click on this icon here to send this prompt to Alexa for shopping. So Alexa, guys, will find 10 Amazon products that are ideal for Pinterest affiliate marketing that have strong potential to generate commissions, okay, and high commissions. And here you go, great questions. Here are 10 Amazon products that are ideal for Pinterest marketing, chosen for their high commission potential, visual appeal, problem solving power, which is very, very good, and sure, and so on. Okay, this is the first one in beauty and skincare, 10% Amazon commission rate, which is very good, highest for physical goods. This is a good one. Here is the first one, second product, and the product number 3, 4, and so on. You have 10 products. Okay, those products, they have high potential commissions, high potential that people will be interested to buy. Okay, strong buy-in. Okay, so what you will do next, let's pick one as an example, the first one. Okay, you guys can see that Alexa will give you every detail for every single product. Okay, this is the products you guys can see here, the one of the most pinned Korean scare products. This is the first one, is very, very good. Here is the second one with their reviews. You guys can see like this one here have 9,000, almost 10,000 reviews, which is good. So I will choose the first one, guys. So I will just click on this one to show you guys. Let's choose this one as an example. So just click on the product that, guys, that you want to promote, and you will be, guys, in this product page here on Amazon. Okay, so what you need to do next, guys, is you need to create content for this product that you will use to promote this product on Pinterest. Okay, so please pay close attention. What you will do next here is you will scroll down, go over here to top highlight, this one, scroll more down, click on show more, and here you go. So this is the product description. You will copy this product description like this. Just copy this product description, and what you will do next, you will go to ChatGPT. Okay, and you will ask him, so just go, guys, to ChatGPT and ask him to give you a viral prompt to send to Google Gemini to create high quality Pinterest ad pin picture and use before and after style for this Amazon product. And here you will paste your Amazon product description that for the product that you are promoting. Okay, once you finish, you will click here on send prompt. Okay, once you send this prompt, here you go, Google ChatGPT will create this prompt for you guys. Okay, you see, this is your prompt. So you will copy this prompt. Okay, pay close attention. We will copy this prompt like this, and what we will do next here is we will go back to Google Gemini. Go and open your Google Gemini account like this and paste this prompt here. Okay, this prompt that you copied from ChatGPT. And what you will do next, you will go back to this Amazon product page that you are promoting, click on this picture and double click and click on save picture. Okay, click on save image and save at least 3 image. Okay, and I will save also this image here, and I will save this one also, save image like this, save at least 3 image, and go back to Google Gemini and click here on add file and click on add file, upload file, and upload those 3 pictures. Okay, like this, that you download from Amazon. Okay, so Google Gemini can create high quality Pinterest ad picture, and you will click here on this icon again and choose create image. Okay, just like this. Okay, and here you go, you see, so everything now is good. What we will do, we will click on submit. Just click on submit, and Google Gemini will start creating your high quality Pinterest ad pin picture that you guys will use to promote this Amazon product on Pinterest. And this will be, guys, your own picture. Okay, because those pictures that we copied from Amazon, Google AI will just use them. Okay, and will create new, fresh and new image for you. It's your own image. Okay, So here you go. Once the image is done, I'll show you guys the result, and here you go, it's done. Let's check. That's really amazing, guys. You guys look at the results, guys. That's amazing. You see the power of AI just in few seconds. Here you go. You see, dark spot, glow skin, rice water, 2% alpha arbutin, before and after. This style, guys, convert very good on Pinterest. Okay, you guys can see before and after. And here is discover the key beauty glow skin. This is a good high quality Pinterest pin ad picture. Very good. I will just download this picture from here. Click on download, and what you will do next, you will go back to Pinterest. Okay, go and open your Pinterest business account, click on home feed, and click on create pin. Okay, just like this. Click on upload file and upload your Pinterest ad picture. Okay, open. Here you go. This is my Pinterest ad picture. So we need an SEO title and an SEO description. What we will do next here, we will go back to AI. We will go back to Google Gemini. Okay, and we will ask him, okay, give me an SEO optimist title and description for this pin to rank higher on Pinterest, like this. Okay, guys, please just use AI. Okay, if you know how to use AI, you guys can really scale your affiliate marketing business and you can make good results. It's all about AI. Once I started using AI in my affiliate marketing business, my commissions just keep scaling and keep growing month over month. It's all thanks to AI. AI helping me creating content, creating short videos, creating long videos, creating everything. Okay, so here you go. This is your title, guys. The option 1, option 2, option 3. So let's take the option 2. I will copy this title. I will go back to Pinterest and put this title here. I need description. Go back to Google Gemini. This is my description, pin description. Go back to Pinterest and paste this pin description here. So what I need to do next, I need my affiliate link. I will go back to this Amazon product page that I'm promoting. We are promoting this products, guys. You guys can see here. So to get your affiliate link, you will click here on get link, and you will click on copy affiliate link, just like this. You will go back to Pinterest and you need to paste this affiliate link inside your landing page or inside your affiliate website. Don't promote affiliate links directly here on Pinterest. It's better to use a landing page or an affiliate website. Okay, and once you create a landing page or your affiliate website, then you can put here your website link or your landing page link. Okay, and what you will do next, you will scroll down, click on choose a board, click here on board, and if you have new accounts, click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create a lot. And please, in each board, you need to promote one specific niche. Don't promote different niches in one board. Okay, you need to promote one specific niche in each board. Okay, but if you are watching this and thinking, okay, but I want someone to actually show me how to build this step by step, that's exactly why I created my AI affiliate marketing course. Inside, I show you how to use the latest AI tools to build both Fiverr and Amazon affiliate income streams, find profitable opportunities, create content faster using AI without showing your face, without using your voice, and get free traffic without relying on paid ads using social media platforms. You can use YouTube, you can use TikTok, you can use Instagram, and you can use Facebook Reels, okay, to double your traffic and double your commissions. Okay, and so instead of spending a month jumping between random YouTube videos and trying to figure everything out yourself, you can follow the exact system I teach my students who made their first $2,000, $5,000, $10,000, $12,000 a month with affiliate marketing using AI and free traffic from different social media platforms. Okay, if you are serious about turning AI and affiliate marketing into a real income stream, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. Okay, I have put everything, my 7 years of experience in this business, I have explained it inside my course. I shared with you everything so you can avoid mistakes, avoid wasting time, and get what's working right now. Get the method and strategies that's actually working right now. Okay, anyway, you want to take it seriously, feel free to reach out to me in my email address. It's in my video description, and I will send you all the details. Okay, let's complete our video. Like I said, you guys can create here a board. Okay, so it's easy and simple. Once you create your board, promote one specific niche in each board. Okay, and what you will do next, guys, you will scroll down and click on add products. Okay, and click on use link, and here paste your Amazon affiliate link. So you can tag this product just like this. And what you will do, you will click on this option, enable this option, affiliate link and sponsored products. Okay, just like this, and you will scroll down, see the product that you are promoting. We are promoting this one. I will tag this product. Just click on the product picture to tag this product over here. Once you finish, here you go, everything looks good. You will click on publish. Okay, and here you go, you just published your first affiliate link on Pinterest. That's exactly and the correct and the safe way to promote Amazon affiliate links on Pinterest using AI and free traffic. So your pin will be published like this. Also inside the course, I'm not explaining just to create pictures. I'm explaining, guys, how you can create UGC ad videos without showing your face and without using your voice, because videos convert also better than pictures. Pictures also can make you some commissions, but videos convert better and videos go viral. Okay, anyway, your picture will be published like this. This will be your affiliate link. If people click here on visit site, they will be, guys, in this Amazon product page, and if they scroll down and if they buy, they click on buy now and they buy this product from you, you earn a commission. Okay, and you have a lot of products. You don't need to promote just this one. You have a lot of product that you guys can promote on Pinterest, on YouTube, on Instagram, on TikTok. Double your traffic and double your commissions. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in the next one.